twakina ntwanyakorera mang'ana buna yaiga aya nara mang'ana twakumirike umbuga iga igo tumatete na tutaonie kene tukumitinga yani omwana bw'omonto nabo baroche buna gutinana kurwari ogure tika bakumubogori nigo bagwansa kumoita ntondogete
biamono sana.
It is another sad morning of July. We're waking up into the news from the Keumbu chaos, from those goons, those mothers whom were named goons after they attacked Linda Mwananchi brigades in Keumbu, Kisii County. They have just decided to give Kenyans a very emotional message. They are bleeding to Kenyans. And they only have one message to Kenyans. Please, before I continue, I beg for your subscription and like. If you are watching, if you are viewing this video, please kindly subscribe and you can leave a like so that we can grow as a huge and loving family of the Siasa Hub. Let's go. So, we have woken up by a message from the vendors from Keumbu Market. I guess I gave you the direction and the way Keumbu Market has been operating. I told you Keumbu Market is on the way Kisii Nairobi way, Kisii Keroka way, a very busy road. Whoever comes to Kihanja from Nairobi, whoever comes to Homa Bay from Nairobi, whoever goes to Migori from Nairobi, whoever goes to Luo Nyanza regions or counties from Nairobi must pass by Keumbu Market. And I give you a good example that Keumbu Market is where, if maybe you don't know the direction, where is it? When you come from Nairobi, there is a place where you make a stopover so that the abirias, passengers, can get miwa, to be specific miwa, yenye imefungwa, imekatwa, imefungwa kwa kakitu hivi, yenye inauzwa 20 each, zikiwa vipande 4 ama 5 zinauzwa 20. So that is a rich miwa zone. That is where they sell miwa. Kama umeitoka Nairobi, mukasimama mahali watu wakanunua miwa, wakanunua ndizi, sweet potato, sweet bananas, that is Keumbu. It is in Kisii County, and the area member of parliament from that region is Zahil Johanda, yule Muhindi. So they are saying, ever since that incident happened in Keumbu, for sure businesses have gone down. They have been talking, they have been speaking to Kenyans, but now this message is too heavy. They're saying, please Kenyans, have mercy on them. They're saying they are tired. Yes, they were part and parcel of what happened. But they have now said they didn't know the repercussions. Hawakuwa wanajua matokeo. That is why they are saying, Kenyans, please allow them to live in peace. Allow them to feed their kids. Allow them to pay school fees. Allow their children to eat. Because without you Kenyans, they are going hungry. Others are being evacuated from their rental houses. What I'm going to do, I'm going to play the video and hear what they're saying from their mouths. Listen what Keumbu women are saying.
Keumbu ando chobege toka mauko mauko oto ererete buge gegetinyasi
tosinyire ndorikon korutwa rwane tibuiga ntwana kon twaje tugatugutugo chimetare imata bwe bituma bigaiterwo chiari ono no tore togotebwa akuna kukusa
igone kene chigari chigo eta chia kabagori rero muri kugori
mbali ko ando ko tena singali ora hapo
igo bantu be chigari mbabatageti
ya bakani
bona ayo kuburi kwa gusoko saba kwa ngoro kyoko gochie asaba gori abare ko bagori batatageti kugora bona na kero kende serikali
tutaira tanga na baigwete bobe abantu baigwete barasa mangana akoregete gaiga na kieko tutarikoni lakini rende tugusabanga gaki yasanche chinkora chiranense biasara biito birana muna byarenge
byamono sana kero kende ayo ndoche baba gobwato mwana naye gokumeti karata tebya ngo bunokoro kwa marieta
nja marieta ne nguru kushakire ni kirubayenda omoni bwe bituma gaiga kiumbu ritanga ni ntokumeti asamanga na ba Friday ayarenga makong ekero mwana itagukwa ntubwato bwabo banene nande ntubwato mondo ko manene aseng'enche buruburu ega yaba kiumbuga iga ntwanya konyorora yani tukumeti ngeye nkeumbu bono nane biasara bite birense ndori kogoribu sigari echigweta bono nabo torocheri chibunga amagoso ni ntutwarengega kiumbu magosa abete ngwetera umwana ori buna itetu abagusi baito korukare buna twakina ntwanya korra mangana buna yaiga aya nara mangana twakumirike umbuga iga igoto umatete na tutaonie kene tukumetinga yani omwana bwo monto nabo baroche buna gutina na kurwari ogure dikaba kumubogori nigo bagwansa kumoita ntondogete
byamono sana omwanchi omurigererio Kiss FM Digital na Kiss FM Radio tugenda tukonya konyora ebirengere kurwa sabangi na bagoeta tutarakora ngukwana tuli no moga iga omongena naro ikaranse tega iga timbune kasa yando chama magena nare ga iga omongena mbiyo kara tuyenga marieta onge kyokorokwa
samarieta nkurukale ni kyo gikuruke umbuga iga
omobero takali muya
tinyigwete buya igo
pole nyasana chako konyo buya nga kyo roche nande ko kwebeteri goche chiro
enya gitari ngoru nara etaiga rende mariogo nacha kogora bono ntokumeti aseng'encho ya mang'ana yaba mwana ubanda gukwa na abandi baumiete mono magena nigarute amabe noni ntugo twachete gotama gotocha gwesiekerera chituka imi kurenderende bono togusaba amabera aseng'encho biasara biranire nse echigari chakane bono nchiri gotena keumbwa nere buya ase abantu bari bakorete gekorekeria bairane basaba amabera twesi tosaba amabera na bari twabete kirori gochesa amang'ana ayo keringeri gento kiyaso omogusi etoke na omwana owayo.
They are saying they are going through a lot. They are not paying rents. They are not paying school fee for the past 8 days, 5 days actually, a week. Others are being evacuated because they are not paying rent. There's no business. Their friends have run away from them. They are being demoralized. Others are being called goons. When the vehicle makes a stopover, when they go to sell, the passengers close up their vehicle windows. Wanafunga vioo so that wasiwauzie. Wanasema kwamba those women are goons. So they are pleading to you Kenyans. Please mnunue vitu kutoka kwao. Mnunue vitu kutoka kwao. So there is a leader from Gusii Region who came out and answered them this way. He said, if in any way, if in any chance, they want Wakenya wanunue vitu kutoka kwao, wamrejeshe hai Mapinduzi, yule ambaye alikufa. Jamaa alikuwa ameshikilia gari. Jamaa ni Mkisii, ukumbuke, si kwamba ni mtu wa kabila tofauti, ni Mkisii. Alikuwa ameshikilia gari. Kumbuka gari za Sifuna hazikusimama pale. So vile gari ilipita kwa bump, jamaa akatengika, kaanguka chini, akaumia. Yaani hawana ile huruma, jamaa ameanguka kwa gari, ameumia, at least hata wamwache hapo. Walikuja na mipini instead ya kumhurumia wakamnyorosha zaidi, wakamkanyaga kichwa, wakakanyaga ribs, mbafu, wakachapa na hizo mipini. Jamaa alifariki. He bleeded to death. By the way, for your information, that jamaa mapinduzi comes from Bobasi. Bobasi is where the governor of Kisii County, Simba Porarat, comes from. Kisii County governor has no office. Alipewa ofisi pale kwa county assembly, but he doesn't use it actually. He operates from his home, Bobasi Motonto. Motonto is a village where he comes from. Hapo ndio amefungua ofisi zake. So if you want to address, if you want to find the governor, go to Motonto. That is where you find him. From his home. He is operating the county, is running the county from his home. That is the state of Kisii County government. And it has been said several times that Kisii County government is being run by the Mchina woman. That is the wife to Simba Arati. That is on the public domain. I'm not the one who's saying it, but it has been said. And the prominent people have said it. Even the former CS, Ezekiel Mashogu, the former friends, Mbande and the rest, those who've been working with Simba Arati closely, those MCAs, have come out to say that Simba Arati is not running Kisii County. The county is being run by his wife. That is Kwamboka May. So what am I going to do? I'm going to play these clips. Just listen to what these Keumbu women are saying and what they're asking Kenyans to do for them. And actually, for your information, they are regretting. They are regretting what happened. So let's listen to them. Please consider subscribing as we grow as a family. And thank you for all, because we have grown gradually. And I appreciate you for the subscription. Please subscribe as we grow together as one family.
Kimba mbabuga to obwoba bono ko bwate obwoba obonge mbarao nikende na kero kende mbamanye tigento kiguchiko bankere kieke gochibosia orochi go baraire chibando igoro asenge ncho kero kende mbaranyora chinguru goseri bagari okoni buya yango nararo romongi no yoga iga ngakia kare korokwa omongi nambi yore litagani ngakio korokwa marietao
masike muntu igega kimbu no etorore kene kimbu ya turusiri atambe na ande ya tobekire nonye ikitole bono iga twakonyekire kurworo oyo chite kimbu ororesi ya mokonyire tari yo rigeretie setara mokonya ekene kimbu yeito yarenge ngiya no twakonyera kuru no tokurusi no school fees twasomeria abana lakini kurwa mangana ye bururu abete igoto chandegete nonya bari tokorine gari tagoteba toikeri kembu igo bagotoira ase stage ete bachi gotoikeri gochimate abu tokoruna gosenkoru na korubirongo nonya bosongo korine rori korwo gocha kembu go kwangu gwata na tori korine burori kembu inu nechugu gakitogo sabaiga amangana ya rokana kembu gakitairorera na bari bamanyete namba akorete bo gakibasaba mabera gekogera omonto okwete no omonto ominto nonyekere segie yarenge gochaka buna intwane nabangi na bebituma ntomanyete na goto isaranste na to isaranste iga tokanyora to gwakwa mageno gwakuwoka ntubana ntorochi no asa magena aruete koru twanyora tabande bagotogwera ebituma byeito bigaiteka abari to komnyoka to koralirana gekogera ntwa maite na seginja abangire njariganiri egocha kurwana kembuga iga ntwe twaganyerete tokaiguno yonde ngoetare tokamuganyeraite tomorore bari totamumaiti toigunga kiago kwana tari mugambi orenge kembuga totenga kyo mugambi konyoro ikire kembuga iga chisegi chikurwana mugambi tare ngoro bachagite na musyo chocho chintuntu amanya sa abantu barukoru bakanyagokora